Hey guys, today I'm making owl-themed miniatures, including a little zippered suitcase and some other travel accessories. This is part of a larger series of animal-themed miniatures, and I really appreciate those of you who participated in the poll on the community tab. As always, if you guys make this craft or any other, please tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see it. By the way, I do sometimes make simple crafts that don't make it to my YouTube channel, but you can find them on my website, rainbowtinklesworld.com. And kids, do be sure and ask a parent for help before starting this craft. Okay guys, for the suitcase, I start by gluing packaging material together, which I glue between two pieces of craft foam. I cut out another strip, cut out a thin strip to allow room for the zipper, and attach. I fold the first edge where the corner will meet, and I wanted my zipper to be at the top of my suitcase. Then I'm just kind of shaping it back into place and gluing the top section one side at a time. Adding small perler beads along the bottom. Then using the coffee stirrer and bead for the handle. Next, I print the printables. The notebooks I print on regular paper, and the electronics, so the laptop, tablet, and cell phone, I print on glossy photo paper. I glued a cardstock to make it a little sturdier. Except with the laptop, I first score along the middle, fold, and glue to craft foam. And the passport, simply fold over and glue, and fold. Paper folded accordion style for the notebooks. And for the sleep mask, I trace a shape on thin craft foam. Add paint, marker, and thin craft foam for detail. Gluing elastic. Next up is the little pillow, so it's just a giant pom-pom with a face made of craft foam. I create the eyes using a multi-hole punch, a dotting tool, and acrylic paint. And the nose is more craft foam. And finally for the neck pillow, just using Model Magic, which is air dry clay. I try to roll out any of the creases, shape around my fingers, making sure it will fit on Barbie. I give it 2 to 3 days to dry, paint, then use thin craft foam for detail. I fill my suitcase with my many accessories. And guys, you are so totally good to go. Well guys, I sure hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks guys!